Alright, what's out owner? Tunga Motor Vlog, everybody. What's out to our very own photographer? It's a raid, Patik Nipola. Alright. Ayaw na magsalita. Buyers. What's up guys, good afternoon. We're now here in Carmona Racing Circuit. So I'm gonna show you guys of the motorcycle we have here in product base 7. First one is a TFX 150. The engine is 150cc and it's old stock. Stock foot peg, but they did some magic around here to make it at least higher compared to the stock height. Next is the exhaust. It's a villain made by 01 Moto. Shout out. And the tire on the rear is a sports tire Zenus. Alright, so you can see. Front tire is a Pirelli Javelin Rosso Sport. That is the owner of the TFX. Can you tell us more about the specs of your bike, please?
It's okay.
Alright, it's okay. 150cc old stock. Next ride will be Sam. This is Sam, everybody. We have another category which is a scooter. 125cc old stock fuel engine. Front tire is Vecturo race tire 1980 by 14. You can see this is the race tire of Vecturo. Alright, it's very Makate. And the rear tire, same. Not sure the shock is stock. Rear tire is a Vecturo 1980. And the exhaust is a high speed.
Alright.
So it says open pipe muffler. Alright. So that's Sam boy. Can you tell us more about your engine? The specs of your vehicle?
All stock body.
So matulin siya mga kaibigan. Kita-kita naman dahil sa tape yan. It's a tape. Watch out Takas racing team. So let's go over here guys. Let's give a round of applause for our next ride. It's gonna be Kengie, the owner of the KTM 200. It's gonna tell us more about your bike please. Specs please.
All stock.
The front tire is 120 by 70 size 17. It's a race tire. Corsa 2. Rosa 2, I mean, sorry about that. See the kulangot? Oh my god, it's very makapit. Oh my god, mas makapit pa sa relasyon ko. Napakaangas. Exhaust mga kaibigan, the exhaust, full exhaust VMAX. What's out the VMAX? Hope you can see the logo. Alright. So you can see rear tires 150 by 80. Same tire, Rosso 2. It's a race tire soft compound. It's very mechanical. Let's look about the magic it's going to be doing when it comes to the shifter. There's the rod, there's a special knot to heighten up the foot peg so you can lean your bike and drag your knee in a good, very angle.
And drag your elbow.
And the elbow, alright. So let's go over here guys. Next motorcycle will be Underbone. Watch out to the next bike featuring Team V-Man as 150 Raider CC all stock. Front tires are FDR MP76 race tire 90 by 80 by 70. And the exhaust is a VMAX as well, full exhaust open muffler. Alright, napakalaki oh. Rear tire same size, 90 by 80 by 17, MP76 FDR. Sobrang kapit niya mga kaibigan. Yung gabing ko lang ito. Once again, Marco Denso. Oh! Ang last na what's out to Bayabas Racing Team mga kaibigan. What's out, what's out. So we're gonna be signing out once again. Please like my page and photography 09. And we have there Patik Nipola. Check it out on Facebook. Please like and share our profile. And see you guys again.
Sarap. Walang bitaw yung gulong eh.
to our player Kengie, the owner of the king. Very nice, very nice. All right. Titingin ka pa ha? Nagbabalak din. Last gun. Lambot gulong no? Alright, bira. Very nice, very nice. Baba ang papet mo.
Baba pa.
Baba, yung pet mo na lang ibaba mo eh. Ayan. Baba mo pa. Di ba nakaganyan ka? Tapos mo yung normal mo. Yung ginagawa mo kanina. Ayan, nakaganyan. I-click mo na to dito. Ito dapat nakating kaya dyan. Nakagano no. Pag sarap ng tuhod mo. Mentor free. Mentor. Mentor. Buka mo, Jay. Buka mo. Lapat na eh. Buka mo. Ibuka mo. Yan. Buka mo pa. Yan. Diba hindi ka nagkaanan? Gawin mo naman 8.
Ayaw ko pa. Hindi ko kaya mag-8 ko pa.
Hindi ka magka... Oh, so kanan naman. So KJ, pag side the tuhod. Alright. Good. Good job. Good job. Kanan naman. Bye-bye. Nice. Oh, smile, smile, smile.